After you crochet both legs, you're ready to join them to continue on with the body. So before you do that, make sure you have both legs lined up. I highly recommend having the color change portion facing the back side so it's not shown. So I'm going to go ahead and crochet, and this is going to be the front of the doll facing me currently. What I'm going to do is start off by attaching my yarn, and I'm using white because I like this to be her underwear color. So I'm going to attach it to the side of the doll. Now I'm going to find the stitch on the very side right here, and I'm going to attach my yarn, my white yarn, and here I will single crochet to start. And then after the first single crochet, you're going to do 2 more. Remember, the leg has 6 stitches, so we're doing half of them currently. So here are 3 single crochets on one leg, and then we're going to chain 1. That's 1 chain, and then you're going to join to the side of the next leg. So here you're going to join with a single crochet. So as you can see, I'm just inserting my hook, taking my hook and inserting it into the side of my doll, like so. And I'm going to go ahead and make a single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet the rest of the 5 stitches around that leg for a total of 6. So that was 3 so far. I'll show you. So I did that chain in the middle and then single crochet. I have 3 stitches. I'm going to keep going around my leg. There are 3 more in the back. So here that's 1, 2, 3. I'm also going to actually snip off this yarn end from my that second leg that I crocheted because it's in the way and it's making things look confusing. Okay, there. Now, after you single crochet those 6 stitches around that leg, you're going to come across the chain that you made when you crossed over. So in that chain, you're going to insert 1 single crochet. So I'm just going to find one loop on that chain. Here, I wonder if you can see that clearly. That's 1 loop on the chain to make into a single crochet, like so. Then when you come over to the other leg, you're going to single crochet the rest of those 3 stitches on that first leg that you started with. So remember, we started with 3 single crochets on that one, so we need 3 more for a total of those 6. So here I'm going to do 1 and 2 and 3 single crochets. And at this point, I'm also going to snip off these yarn ends that are just in the way here because they're making things look confusing. So there, that's much cleaner. As you can see, the legs are now joined with a single crochet in the middle. Oh, excuse me, not a single crochet. One chain in the middle, and I single crocheted in one of the loops. So that's round 1 of the body, and that's the joining round. Alright, so for round 2, we're going to do 4 increases here. So we're going to start off with an increase. Oops. So in that first stitch, we're going to insert 2 single crochets. 1, 2, single crochet 2. Then you're going to come to the middle of your, between your doll's legs, and remember that's where you made the chain in the previous round. You're going to insert your hook into one of the loops in the chain, and then make an increase. So that's increase right there. And then single crochet 2 in those next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Then you're going to increase. Single crochet 2. Increase. Single crochet 2. And then increase in that very last stitch. After you do that, your doll ought to have 18 stitches in that round of the body. Now for round 3, you're going to single crochet around. So that's 18 stitches. So I'll go ahead and start here in the first one. 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's that for round 3, 18 stitches around. For the next rounds, up to round 7, you're just going to single crochet around in this color. So we'll meet back after we single crochet straight around until round 7. After you finish round 6, you're going to go ahead and switch colors to the top portion of your doll's dress. I'm going to be using this medium blue color, so I'm going to just switch colors here. And for round number 7, all you're going to do is just single crochet around. So insert a single crochet around each of these stitches. After you single crochet around for round 7, you're going to start round 8 and go ahead and do 4 single crochets and then a decrease 3 times. So it's going to look like this. 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then in this next stitch, the next 2 stitches, you're going to decrease by crocheting them together. So there's my decrease, and you're going to do that 2 more times. Single crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then decrease by single crocheting those 2 stitches together. And one more time, it's going to be single crochet 4, 2, 3, 4, and then decrease for the next 2 stitches. Now, for round number 8, you're just going to single crochet, that was round 8. For round 9, you're just going to single crochet around, and that's 15 stitches around. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, and all the way around. After you single crochet around for those 15 stitches, for round 9, we're going to do round 10. Round 10 is single crochet 3 and then decrease 3 times. So you're going to do it like so. Single crochet 3, 1, 2, 3 single crochets. And in the next 2 stitches, decrease by single crocheting them together. And then repeat that for 2 more times around this round. So that's 1, 2, 3 single crochets and a decrease. And for round number 11, all you're going to do is single crochet around. That's 12 stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, so that's 12 single crochets, and I'm done with the body part of this doll. As you can see, it makes a nice little rounded kind of body down here with the 2 legs just joined and involving no sewing at all. All you'll need to do is go ahead and leave a long yarn end, and the reason for that is because you're going to be sewing this to the doll's head.